Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to request a ride on Tow. So let's see over here. You can find that this information has been actually taken from the Uber's website, which is available for anyone. This is a small ride where I am trying to make a ride request from location 1 to location 2, source to destination. You can find that I have actually chosen Uber Go and it's 79 rupees is the estimated fare. Drop is at 6:30 p.m. and this is the drop off time, that is in 6 minutes. The moment the cab arrives, since then it is 6:30. So I am going to show you that how to create the ride. Mind you, my blockchain solution is for any platform. It can integrate with any other platforms like Uber, Ola, Rapido, Shuttle, and any other ride hailing platforms. So if any sort of legal issue comes up regarding my usage of name Uber in this video, it is already given as a disclaimer that this video is for providing any ride-hailing platforms. I'm coming upfront to invite any ride-hailing platforms to integrate this blockchain solution into their platforms. Over to how to create a ride. So there are multiple parameters which we need to put it in this blockchain's action. So the contract name is Tow One Ride Taxi. So in this contract there is one action called create. Under this action there are different parameters which needs to be given in order to submit it and get validated via EOS IO blockchains. Starting with the commuter's name, so you can give the same. Mind you, this is the same commuter which was actually taken during the user registrations example of commuter. So the next four parameters are the hash of the source, destinations, latitude and longitudes. So this information I have already readily available. So mind you, this all parameters won't have to be given, won't have to be inserted by the user. Rather, this will happen automatically onto the backend. A person has to choose their rides just like the way they do in their any ride hailing current platforms. But everything will happen just in the behind. It would just like be currently we are using all internet. So we don't question what is internet, but yes, we definitely use internet. So just like that, it is going to be this blockchain solution, which will operate in a seamless fashion in the backend, but no one will be able to know whether they're using a blockchain or not, but definitely they would be able to see the data that it is getting validated or it is there on the blockchain ledger. Over to this coordinates hash. So I have already noted down for easy parsing in order to showcase the example. So this is the source longitude hash. This is the destination latitude hash. This is the destination longitude hash. This is the vehicle type, so I am parsing it as go. Payment mode. Here in this entire example, the commuter is trying to pay using crypto, so I am mentioning it as crypto. Ridex usage status. As I mentioned about this Ridex feature, which has been completely an innovative solution, ensuring there is no commission and surge pricing for drivers and commuters respectively. In this example, we will be using Ridex on or off. For commuter, I am taking this example where the commuter is not using Ridex. That means I'll have to write N. If yes, then Y. Okay. Then next comes the fare estimated. So the fare estimated, this is in fiat currency, I mean the national currency. So here you can find that it is 79. So 79 will be passed. Coming to the market price. The market price, let's assume that the current market price is 5 Indian rupee is equals to 1 tow. That means 79 Indian rupee will be around 17.8 tow. I have already tested this, otherwise I am going to showcase this example. So that is why, just for easy use. So market price is 5. It's again yes. So let me just refer to example. So I have actually mentioned 5.00. Let's take it that way. Now fair crypto estimate, I have taken it. If you convert 1 to equals to 5 Indian rupees, so you will find that the corresponding number of tow, 79 Indian rupee, is equals to 17.8 tow. Finish time stamp. So corresponding to the time stamp, which is the estimated one, you can find over here, and you can actually put it over here, and you can convert the 6:30 p.m. of that particular day into timestamp. Don't worry, all of these are going to happen in the backend, so you literally don't have to worry about. Seat count is going to be 2, which will again be parsed automatically. String, I'm trying to make a ride, so request a ride, say from home to office. Now I would like to create transaction. Broadcast transaction. So you can find that there is no amount which has been transferred by this commuter into the right wallet. Now we are going to showcase, or fetch rather, another contract which is called tow14R. So you need to transfer an amount. So tow1111 token. So here transfer, then it's going to be same to, is going to be tow14R wallet, and then it will be, let's transfer around maybe how much, it's 17.8 tow, and then transfer for making right. Create transaction, broadcast, and the transaction has happened successfully. Now let's see if the corresponding amount has been added onto the table. So let's refresh this Commuter account onto the Block Explorer, and you can find that so it has occurred. So you will be easily able to open this wallet, and let's see if there is any balance for this Commuter, whether this money has been transferred. So you can find that 17.82, so it has been transferred successfully. Now let's make the request. Okay, so let's open the smart contract and then create. Let's parse all the parameters once again. Mind you, I am doing it all manually, but this will automatically be taken into care in the backend. I am copying all the hashes which I have already calculated beforehand. Vehicle to go, pay mode is crypto, Ridex usage Commuter is not using because he finds that okay, this is a pretty normal price. Fare estimated is going to be 79.00, market price is 5.00, then fare estimated is 17.82, and then finish timestamp is, let's just copy it. Basically you have to take 6:30 p.m. and then 2, and then request a ride from home to office. Okay, so it doesn't have a sufficient amount of RAM, so let me just ensure that and then I'll head back. So there was a little problem, which the meaning of which is basically in EOS on the blockchain side there is a resource called RAM, but don't worry, that will again be taken care of in the backend. So that is what actually happened, and I have added the RAM and we are going to retry, and the transaction has happened successfully. So let's see the table now. Let's select the table name and you can find that this row has been created illustrating, saying all the required, so yes, so this is a vector where the first part is create and the transaction. So it keeps a track of all the action which happened in a sequential order, maintaining the order. So you can find on the create timestamp and all the required parameters have been added, the estimated finish timestamp, okay, and correspondingly also the actual. So the fare estimation and the fare actual will be added after finishing the ride. The market price, this is the fare crypto estimated, which is 17.82. Then after finishing the ride, rating of driver and rating of commuter and rating status of driver. So the ride status is currently requested. So we now have to match an algorithm. So this request has gone to the server, and correspondingly based on the algorithm, whoever or whichever driver is nearby is going to be assigned. So in this example, we will assign the ride directly to the driver which was registered in the user registration video. So yeah, so rather let's take it in a general way. Whoever remains closer to this commuter will be assigned a ride. So we will see that in the next example. Thank you.